Hi, it's Dana. If you've been doubting yourself today, this is for you. Take a deep breath in and let it go. This moment is yours. You don't need to do anything but be here with me. You've been giving, pushing, trying. But the truth is, you don't have to prove a thing. You are already enough. Your worth isn't measured by what you accomplish. It's in who you already are. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Feel your heartbeat. Steady, loyal, always carrying you forward. Now imagine a soft glow spreading through your chest. With every inhale, that glow expands. With every exhale, it whispers, "You are worthy. You are enough." And when the world feels heavy again, pause for a moment. Place your hand over your heart and remind yourself, I am enough. Carry this afterglow with you.